Volunteers from Illinois are stepping forward to provide what help they can for the California fire victims. The Red Cross will start sending volunteers to the West Coast today. A mass last night at St. Clement Church in Lincoln Park was dedicated to the victims and survivors of the fires.
Many of our people here have ties to family, friends in Los Angeles, and many feel helpless. What do they do? And so the best response for a Christian is to pray, to lift people to the Lord.
The priority now is to provide the victims with shelter, food, and emotional support.
We definitely help out anytime there's a major disaster like this. Our volunteers here in Illinois and Chicago are some of the first to raise their hand. The best way to help at this time when you're not able to be there physically is to make a financial donation. That ensures that the Red Cross is able to help the people impacted as quick as possible, making sure that they have a safe place to go.
The American Red Cross is always in need of volunteers. The organization encourages those who are able to do so to consider joining its cause.